Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Misbah from Multan Public School and College. Students, now we have new computer science book which is very beneficial and easy for students, and it is very beneficial for your future studies. Its main contents are given here. First chapter is about problem solving. Second chapter is about binary system. Third chapter is about computer networks. Fourth chapter is about data and its privacy. Fifth chapter is about designing website. Students, we are starting from chapter number 2, from where we have to know about binary number system, decimal, hexadecimal and octal number systems in our previous lectures. Now our next topic is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is the algebra of logic. It was formulated by English mathematician George Boole in 1864 in his book The Laws of Thought. Boolean algebra has exactly the same as propositional calculus. The most important application of Boolean algebra is in digital logic. Boolean algebra returns results in terms of true or false, that is 1 or 0 respectively. Boolean proposition. A proposition is a sentence that can either be true or false. For example, someone from our school can join Pakistan team. For example, I will get A+ grade in board exam. And for example, I play the chess. We can also assign any letter to a proposition sentence. Next topic is truth values. Every proposition takes one of two values, true or false, and these values are called the truth values. For example, P is equal to Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan, and you can assign the truth value to this proposition. Q is equal to the sun rises in the west. The truth value for this proposition is false. Logical operators and or not. Sometimes we assemble more than one proposition to make one proposition, called a compound proposition. We discuss, for example, if we have the two propositions. First is today is Monday and second is I am in school. Then today is Monday and I am in school is a compound proposition. To connect two propositions, we used logical operators. We discuss here three most commonly used logical operators: and, or, and not. And operator. We use and operator to connect two or more proposition. It is denoted by dot symbol. Or operator. We can also use or operator to connect two or more proposition, and it is denoted by plus symbol. Not operator. Not operator, it is not a connector, it is used to negate a proposition. So with not operator, true value becomes false and false value becomes true, and it is denoted by dash symbol. Here we have three truth tables which shows the results of logical operators. First one is truth table of and operator, where true multiplied by true is equal to true. True multiplied by false is equal to false. False multiplied by true is equal to false. False multiplied by false is equal to false. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम यहाँ ट्रू और फॉल्स की जगह 0 और 1 की पोजीशन लगा दें तो समझना और भी आसान हो जाएगा. जैसे टी की जगह 1 और एफ की जगह 0 अगर हम लगा दें टेबल में, तो 1 मीन्स ऑन एंड 0 मीन ऑफ. एंड देन इफ वी विल सी द टेबल, then what is the answers are 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Next is the truth table of OR. It is denoted by plus sign. So we have the table true plus true is equal to true, true plus false is equal to true, false plus true is equal to true, false plus false is equal to false. यहाँ पर भी अगर हम ट्रू की जगह 1 और फॉल्स की जगह 0 लगा दें then you can understand very easily. Example like as 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. This is called the truth table of OR operator. Next is NOT. Where we can make truth table NOT, we use NOT operator. It is used to negation. It is used for negation. It reverts the value, like true becomes false and false becomes true in it. Students, this is also an important topic, measurement of size of computer's memory. मतलब हम मेमोरी का साइज कैसे मेजर करते हैं. The smallest amount of data to be stored in computer's memory is 0 or 1. It is called a bit. Collection of 8 bits is called byte. At least 1 byte is required to store any piece of information in a computer's storage. On both primary and secondary storage devices, data is stored in the form of bytes. Now we will see this table. Here, smallest unit of data can hold a value 0 or 1. Bit is equal to 0 or 1. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 1 KB mean 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. This is called the measurement of computer's memory. For more details, students read the lesson, study your book, and for more clearing your concepts, click on this link. Students, here are some short question answers. This is your assignment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.